Hello students, let's do question number 6 from exercise 2.2. It reads that to multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So first part is 3 multiplied by 5 1 upon 5. I'll convert this mixed fraction 5 1 upon 5 into a proper fraction. Then 3 will be multiplied with 26 numerators together upon 5. Now when you multiply 26 and 5, you'll get 78. So I am getting fraction 78 upon 5 as my answer. But the question is also asking about the mixed fraction, and you know how to find the mixed fraction. I'll divide 78 by 5, and here I'll get 3 as the remainder, 15 as the question, and 5 is also there. So 5 will be the denominator and 15, that is the question, will come here, and 3, that is remainder, will be the numerator. This is my answer, 15 3 by 5. Now similarly we'll solve the E part of this question. 3 1 by 4 multiplied by 6. So 3 1 by 4 will change to 13 upon 4 multiplied by 6. Here you can see that 6 and 4 can be cancelled with the table of 2. 2 2s is 4 sorry, 2 2s is 4 and 2 3s is 6, which becomes 13 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Nothing further can be divided, so its answer is 39 upon 2. In mixed fraction, again I'll divide 39 by 2 and I'll get 19 1 by 2 as my answer. Now let's see question number 7. It has got two parts in it, that 1 by 2 should be multiplied. Off means to multiply by 2 3 by 4 and 4 2 by 3. See, for this we have got two methods. First part I'm solving for 2 3 by 4, half multiplied by 2 3 by 4. I'll change this 2 3 by 4 in a improper fraction, that is 11 by 4, and I'll collect the numerator, I'll collect the denominator, and I'll get 11, and in the denominator 2 4s is 8, so I'm getting 11 upon 8, and I can change it into mixed fraction and I'll get 1 3 upon 8. Another method is that I can divide this 2 with half like this, and 3 by 4 with half again like this. So here 2 1s is 2 and 2 1s is 2, 1 will be remaining, and here nothing can be cancelled, but here we can multiply. So in the numerator 3 and in the denominator 2 4s is 8, 3 by 8, and when I'll combine I'll form 1 3 by 8 as my answer. Next part is multiplying half with 4 2 by 9. So I have done this with the first method by changing it into a improper fraction and then multiplying and cancelling if it can cancel. So I am getting 19 by 9 and changing it into mixed fraction to 1 by 9 is my answer. Question number 8 is a word problem. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. So how much water did Vidya drink? This is the first part. So I can mention in my copy that total water in water bottle was 5 liters, and Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water out of it. So, how much water did actually Vidya drink? This is the fraction given, but the question is asking about the quantity of water in liters. How much liter did actually Vidya drink? Simply, I can multiply the total quantity of water given by the fraction of Vidya, that is 2 upon 5, and I'll get 5 ones will be cancelled by 5, 5 ones is 5, and I'll get 2 liters as the answer. So Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Simple. Now the second part says, what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Now what about Pratap? Suppose this is a water bottle and this is 5 liters of water, out of which some part Vidya has already drunk. Now the remaining water Now this remaining water is what Pratap drank. Now the question is asking that what fraction, this is what fraction of that total quantity. So Pratap consumed remaining water, that means out of 5 liter 2 liter Vidya drank. So what is the remaining? Out of 5, 2 liter is gone, so 5 minus 2, 3 liters of water is remaining. Now in fraction, total was 5 and he drank 3, so I can write that in fraction Pratap drank 3 by 5 of water, fraction of water. This was our answer for question number 8.